Hey guys, it's Tanaya. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this passion twist hairstyle in under 3 hours. And all you need, there's a few simple things. So I actually got sent hair from DUS Hair, and they're on Amazon. You get 6 packs of this crochet passion twist hair for $28 and change. And the hair is really soft, it's nice, and I only used 3 packs out of the 6 to do this hairstyle. But I did do more of like jumbo kind of parts, and it's super cute. It was super easy to just crochet it and twist it down, lay my edges, 2 hours and 45 minutes, and I was set. When you get the hair from DUS Hair, it also comes with some hair jewels. They give you 2 hair clips, which is super helpful, and then a crochet hook. Just to give you guys a close-up of the hair, they come in bundles. It has a little net around it, and what you have to do is just cut off this string that's holding all the crochet hair together. But this is what the passion twists look like, and as you can see, my twist, when you pull it all the way down, is past my belly button, but it kind of stops, you know, right above your chest level when it's twisted. But the hair is really pretty and it's soft, and you get 6 bundles of these in a pack for $28. I'll leave the description link down below in my description box so you guys know where to go on Amazon if you want to try this hair out. I believe this is the 16 inches, so more of like a natural length, and if you want longer, you can just get longer. So I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this style so you can do it on your own. I know everybody's probably at home anyway, so if you want a new hairstyle, keep watching. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys, I pre-sectioned my hair and I just kind of braided them down just a little bit, just so I can get all my squares parted, and it'll just make the whole process a lot faster. Okay, so I did the back off camera, so I'm going to show you guys pretty much me doing the front, and I'm going to zoom in, don't worry about it. So I'm basically just going to show you guys how I do these last 4. So let's just clip the rest of these out of the way with a hair clip, and then let's get into the good stuff. I'm just unraveling that little loose braid I put in just to, you know, pre-section the part, and I am going to be taking my favorite edge control, Murray's Edge Wax, and I'm just putting some edge control on the base and rubbing that in, and then I am just going to braid it down. I'm only doing about like 4 or 5 little stitches, whatever you want to call it. You don't have to braid your hair all the way down. So once you braid it down, you're going to take that crochet hook and put it underneath the base of the braid. So right underneath there, and then you're going to take the crochet hair. I took 2 pieces, put it in as one. I wanted mine a little thicker. Put it on that hook, you close the latch, and then once you close that latch, you're going to slide the hair underneath your braid. We'll slide the crochet hook underneath your braid. So I'm closing that latch, sliding it right underneath the braid, and then I'm going to take it off the latch. Be careful, you want to keep the hair in those 2 separate sections because it's just going to be easier for you. So you see I'm putting it right back in those 2 separate sections. I'm grabbing my hair and the crochet hair, putting it right through that loop, and then what I'm going to do is when I get to this part, I just push my hair out the way and I just pull the crochet hair down and tighten that loop into like a little knot. So now that we've got that hair on there good, what I do is I put 2 pieces of the crochet hair in one hand and the other 2 in the other hand, and then I just split my arrow hair down the middle, and then I begin to twist. Now I use my Eco Styler gel to twist my hair just to kind of lock it in, a little shine also. I didn't want to use the Murray's Edge Wax because it's a little thicker, so I just grabbed some of my Eco Styler gel that I have here. Then this is the easy part. You're just going to twist all the way down. Make sure you do your twist tight. You don't want to do it loose, and just add gel throughout and just twist all the way down at the end. And I'm just going to show you guys how it looked at the end. Just grab some extra gel, and then I just kind of twirl it around my finger, and then I just let it go, and it just springs up into a twist like that. And I'm going to show you guys a few more times how I do this close up. I got you. So showing you guys again, I'm going underneath the base of the braid with my crochet hook, and then I'm going to grab that crochet hair, put the two pieces in one, and I'm just putting it on that hook, and then I'm closing the latch, and I am just pulling it underneath the base of my braid. And once I do that, I take it off the crochet hook, and I just pull my hair and the crochet hair inside of that loop, and I pull. And then, like I said before, now we're getting ready to twist. Sometimes I put the crochet hair on top of my natural hair. It really doesn't matter, but I'm just splitting it into two and then splitting my natural hair, just personal preference. Make sure you don't pull apart the twist either. If you pull apart the twist or they get mixed into each other, it's just gonna be like a tangled twist situation. So just keep those twist strands intact the way they are out of the package. You don't have to pull through them or anything. And again, you guys are going to see me twist all the way down to the bottom with some of that Eco Styler gel. And then I just wrap it around my finger, a little twist and twirl, and then let it go. So I'm going to let you guys watch me do the last two. And then you should be all set to do this hairstyle while you're at home. I hope everybody is safe and COVID free. And you'll have a quick little $28 to $30 hairstyle that takes you 2.5 hours to do, girl. Alright, so here is the final look of my twist when I'm freshly done. I haven't laid my edges yet. Oh, don't worry, I did this at night, so I'm about to go to bed soon. But this is how the twists are looking. They're very natural and they're not like super long, and they're, you know, on a chunkier side, which I like. I like not having a whole bunch of parts in my hair, and it just looks cool, you know, and it's a lot of different hairstyles you can do, which I'll do another video on that next. And you know when you like just get your hair done and you just do your hair and now you're just playing around with it, trying to see what styles you could do. This is what I'm doing. I'm just playing around with it, pulling it up, just seeing what it looks like if I rocked it in a ponytail, or what it would look like if I had a little bun or something like that. I'm literally just figuring out what this is gonna look like. This is my first time like doing this hairstyle, trying out twists. I normally do box braids all the time, but I'm kind of feeling the twist. They're like quicker to do and everything, so yeah. And just to give you guys a view of how long it is, I decided to do like some longer than others. I didn't want it to all be like one blunt length. I didn't really want that look, but you can cut them. And this is just a quick little snippet of me doing my edges before I lay them down with my scarf and go to bed. And again, I'm using my Murray's Edge Wax with that. I've been using that for years. It's my favorite edge control ever. Alright, so here I am the next morning, and I'm just taking down my scarf and everything from my hair. And you know, like, it's so interesting when you have your scarf on and your edges is already laid, and you wake up with the scarf and your edges not laid no more. Like, that's so annoying. So I'm just retouching up my edges, you know. And give it a thumbs up if you use a toothbrush to lay your edges like me. So I'm just laying my edges again, and then I'm just going to show you guys my hair, and make sure you try this hairstyle out if you want to, and let me know how it went. I hope you guys really liked this hair tutorial. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. Leave a comment down below if you've tried this hairstyle or if you're gonna try it. And subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And I'll see you next time. Bye.